Welcome to our channel. If you're new, subscribe and hit the like button so can keep getting our interesting and educative videos. Do you ever feel like you're not good enough, or that success is just out of reach? You're not alone. Self-doubt can creep into our minds and hold us back. However, what if I told you that building unshakable self-confidence is possible and easier than you think? Self-doubt acts as the silent dream killer, preventing you from pursuing opportunities, taking risks, and becoming the best version of yourself. The truth is, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Let's explore how to achieve this. Imagine standing at the edge of a diving board, your heart racing, palms sweaty. Below you, the water glistens invitingly, yet the thought of jumping sends a wave of anxiety crashing over you. This moment is all too familiar for many of us. We often find ourselves on the precipice of opportunity, yet we hesitate, paralyzed by the fear of failure. This fear, that insidious voice whispering that we aren't good enough, is self-doubt. But what if you could silence that voice? What if you could take the leap? The journey to building self-confidence begins with understanding that self-doubt is a universal experience. Everyone, from the most successful leaders to the everyday person, grapples with feelings of inadequacy. Acknowledging this truth is the first step in overcoming it. You are not alone in your struggle. The key lies in how you respond to those feelings. Start by recognizing your strengths. Take a moment to list your accomplishments, no matter how small. Perhaps you helped a friend through a tough time, excelled in a project at work, or learned a new skill. Each of these moments reflects your capabilities. When self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself of these achievements. This practice isn't about boasting. It's about grounding yourself in reality. The more you acknowledge your strengths, the more confidence you'll build. Next, challenge your negative thoughts. Self-doubt often manifests as a narrative in our minds, a story that we tell ourselves about our limitations. When you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," or "I'm not qualified enough," pause and question that thought. What evidence do you have to support it? More importantly, what evidence contradicts it? Often we find that our fears are exaggerated or unfounded. By reframing these thoughts, you can transform them into empowering affirmations. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try, "I am capable of learning and growing." This shift in perspective is crucial for building a resilient mindset. Surrounding yourself with positivity is another powerful strategy. The people we spend time with can significantly influence our self-perception. Seek out those who uplift and encourage you, who believe in your potential even when you don't. Engaging with supportive friends, mentors, or communities can provide the encouragement you need to push through self-doubt. Share your goals and aspirations with them. Their belief in you can serve as a powerful reminder of your worth. Equally important is the practice of setting realistic goals. When we aim too high without a clear plan, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. Break your aspirations down into manageable steps. If your goal is to run a marathon, for example, start by committing to a short daily run. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. These incremental successes will build your confidence and reinforce the belief that you are capable of achieving your larger goals. Another effective way to build self-confidence is to embrace failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback. Many of us fear failure, viewing it as a reflection of our worth. However, failure is an essential part of the learning process. Each mistake offers valuable lessons that contribute to our growth. When you view failure through this lens, it becomes less daunting. Instead of asking, "What if I fail?" shift the question to, "What can I learn from this experience?" This mindset allows you to approach challenges with curiosity rather than fear. Visualization is another technique employed by many successful individuals to enhance self-confidence. Picture yourself succeeding in your endeavors. Imagine the details, the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your success. This mental rehearsal can create a sense of familiarity and ease when you actually face the situation. The more vividly you visualize your success, the more confident you'll feel when it's time to take action. Additionally, practice self-compassion. It's easy to be our harshest critics, but treating ourselves with kindness is crucial for overcoming self-doubt. Acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and that perfection is an unrealistic expectation. When you find yourself in a moment of self-criticism, ask how you would respond to a friend in the same situation. Often, we are far more forgiving toward others than we are to ourselves. By extending that same compassion inward, you can cultivate a more positive self-image. Furthermore, practice positive self-talk and reframe negative thoughts. Why it works. Your inner dialogue shapes your confidence. If you're constantly telling yourself, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll probably fail," you're reinforcing self-doubt. But by consciously shifting those thoughts, you can rewire your brain to build confidence. How to do it? Catch the negative thought. Pay attention to moments when self-doubt creeps in. Challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or just fear? Reframe it. Replace the negative thought with a positive or realistic one. I can't do this. I'll do my best and learn from the experience. I'm not good enough. I'm capable and getting better every day. Finally, take action. Confidence is built through experience. The more you step outside your comfort zone, the more you'll learn about your capabilities. Start with small risks. Speak up in a meeting, try a new hobby, or approach someone new. Each time you push your boundaries, you'll gain a sense of accomplishment that reinforces your self-belief. Over time, these small actions accumulate, leading to significant growth in your confidence. As you embark on this journey of building self-confidence, remember that it's a gradual process. There will be days when self-doubt resurfaces, but that's okay. The key is to persist and apply the strategies you've learned. With time, patience, and practice, you will find that self-confidence is not an elusive trait reserved for a select few. It is a skill that can be cultivated by anyone willing to put in the effort. So, the next time you find yourself at the edge of that diving board, ready to leap into the unknown, remind yourself of your strengths, challenge your negative thoughts, and embrace the journey. You are capable, you are worthy, and success is within your reach. Take the plunge. The water is just fine. Thanks for watching, folks. Drop your comments below and let's know what tip you liked most about this video.